Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most searched topics by Nigerian traders, the best Forex brokers you can use in Nigeria. If you're trading Forex from Nigeria or planning to start, this video will help you make an informed choice. We'll look at regulation, costs, platforms, pros and cons, and reveal which brokers stand out for Nigerian traders. Let's get started. Before we name names, let's quickly cover what every Nigerian Forex trader should check. 1. Regulation and security. Because Nigeria doesn't currently regulate retail Forex brokers, your protection comes from the overseas regulator of the broker. For example, the FCA, ASIC, or SISEC. 2. Local deposit and withdrawal support. Can you deposit and withdraw in NGN? Are local banks or payment agents supported? 3. Trading costs, spreads, commissions, swap fees, and hidden charges like inactivity fees matter a lot. 4. Leverage and margin rules. High leverage is appealing, but also risky. Understand how margin calls and stop-outs work. 5. Trading platforms and instruments. Do they offer MT4, MT5, CTrader? What assets are available? Forex, indices, stocks, crypto. 6. Customer support. You want responsive support, preferably with local or NGN-aware services. 7. Bonuses and promotions. Many brokers offer bonuses, but often with tight terms or regional restrictions. With those criteria in mind, let's review some of the top brokers used by Nigerians today. First up, Exness. Founded in 2008, Exness has built a strong reputation globally. Among the reasons it's popular in Nigeria, NGN-denominated accounts, fast local deposits and withdrawals, and ultra-low trading costs. Their spreads can go as low as 0.0 pips on certain account types. Their pro/raw accounts are very competitive. Platforms, MT4, MT5, and their own Exness Trader app. They offer a wide range of instruments, Forex pairs, metals, indices, commodities, etc. On regulation, Exness operates under multiple jurisdictions, SISEC, etc. But note, your account might be under an offshore entity depending on your region. Support is decent, and many Nigerians report smooth deposit withdrawal experience. Pros: very low cost, local currency support, good reputation. Cons: depending on which entity you join, regulation strength and leverage may vary. In many reviews, Exness is considered one of the best overall brokers for Nigeria.
Next, FBS. FBS was founded in 2009. It offers very low minimum deposits, some account types start with as little as $1, and high leverage in favorable jurisdictions. Account types include Cent, Standard, Zero, ECN, and specialized crypto accounts. Platforms, MT4, MT5, and their own trading app. They cover Forex, metals, indices, stocks, crypto CFDs, etc. Regulation is via entities in Belize, SISEC in some regions, but as with any broker, you'll need to see which branch you're under. Support, live chat, email, phone, regionally. They run bonuses and promotions often, deposit matches, contests. Pros are very low entry cost, diverse account types, robust instrument selection. Cons are some regulatory branches are weaker, withdrawal or commission issues may appear, bonus terms may be restrictive. FBS is used by many small capital traders who want to start with minimal funds.
Third, HFM, also known as HF Markets. HFM was established in 2010. They offer accounts such as Cent, Premium, Zero Spread, Pro, etc. Their minimum deposit is low for many accounts, for example, $5 in some cases, depending on the region.
They provide leverage up to 1/500 or more in some jurisdictions and flexible spreads/commission models. Platforms, MT4, MT5, proprietary mobile and web versions. Tradable instruments, Forex, commodities, indices, stocks, crypto CFDs. Regulation, HFM has entities regulated under FCA, SISEC, DFSA, SASA, etc. in various regions. Support, multiple channels, educational resources, and local support in Nigeria. Pros, good global regulation, flexible accounts, asset diversity. Cons, account conditions vary by entity, leverage spreads may be limited in regulated branches. HFM is often recommended in Nigeria for its balance between cost, safety, and features. Fourth, FTM, also known as Forex Time. FTM was founded in 2011. It offers accounts like Advantage, Advantage Plus, and stock accounts. In Nigeria, FTM supports NGN base currency and certain account types. The minimum deposit is relatively higher in many cases, for example, $200 for many live accounts, though for micro accounts it may be lower. Leverage, up to 1:3,000 in favorable branches. Dynamic margin rules apply. Platforms, MT4, MT5, also mobile app. Instruments, Forex, indices, stocks, metals, and crypto. Regulation, FTM's group operates under multiple regimes. Check your registration entity. Support, generally well-rated, local presence in Nigeria in some cases. Pros, local currency support, solid brand, good instrument coverage. Cons, higher minimum deposit, commission may erode gains for small trades, and regulatory branch matters. FTM is a go-to for many Nigerian traders who prefer a balance between safety and usability. Fifth, XM. Launched in 2009, account types are standard, micro, ultra low, and shares. Minimum deposit is $5 in many jurisdictions. XM does not support NGN as a base currency. Your deposits in Naira are converted to a base currency. Leverage up to 1:1,000 in many jurisdictions, but restricted in regulated branches. Platforms, MT4, MT5, XM's app. Instruments, Forex, indices, metals, stocks, crypto CFDs. Regulation, XM is regulated in multiple entities, SISEC, etc. Support, multilingual, generally responsive, educational resources available. Pros, low barrier to entry, good support and tools. Cons, currency conversion overhead, spreads can widen under volatility, and regulatory restrictions. XM is a favorite for traders who want to start with low capital and access many tools. Sixth, RoboForex. Founded in 2009, account types include Pro Cent, Pro, ECN, Prime, RStocks Trader, etc. Minimum deposit is as low as $10 in many cases. Leverage up to 1:2,000 or more, depending on account or entity. Platforms, MT4, MT5, proprietary RStocks Trader for stocks and ETFs. Instruments, Forex, commodities, indices, stocks, ETFs. Regulation, RoboForex is registered under the Belize IFC and IFC jurisdictions offshore. Support, live chat, email, help center. Some user complaints exist about withdrawal delays. Pros, broad instruments, low entry, specialized stock platform. Cons, weaker regulatory oversight, withdrawal issues in some reports, and recourse options limited. If you choose RoboForex, proceed with testing small deposits first. Seventh, Pepperstone. Established in 2010 in Australia, they offer standard, spread-only accounts and Razor, raw plus commission accounts. They typically have no formal minimum deposit in many jurisdictions. They support NGN accounts in some regions for Nigerian clients. Leverage up to 400 to 1 in many branches, higher in some offshore. Platforms, MT4, MT5, CTrader, TradingView, and mobile apps.
Instruments: Forex, indices, commodities, metals, crypto CFDs, stock CFDs. Regulation: Pepperstone holds licenses under ASIC, FCA, SISEC, and more, giving strong regulatory credibility. Support: robust, good reviews on deposit and withdrawal and service. Pros: strong regulation, transparency, low costs, multiple platforms. Cons: conditions vary by entity, in some cases withdrawal delays, and regulated branches have leverage limits. Many broker ranking sites place Pepperstone among the top choices for Nigerians. Top kicks for Nigeria. Best overall, Exness, strong local support, low cost, solid reputation. Best regulated/safety, Pepperstone, among the best regulatory coverage. Best for low budget/beginners, FBS, or Exness micro/cent accounts. Best for stocks/ETFs, RoboForex via our stocks trader. Best for NGN local usability. FTM and HFM often have favorable NGN deposit/withdrawal support. In conclusion, there is no one-size-fits-all best broker for Nigeria. The right one depends on your priorities: cost, safety, local support, or instrument variety. If safety and regulation are top concerns, Pepperstone is a strong bet. If you want ultra-low cost and fast local withdrawals, Exness shines. If you're trading stocks/ETFs in addition to Forex, RoboForex's stock platform is compelling. Whatever you pick, always check which regulatory entity handles your account. Start with a small deposit to test withdrawals and execution. Understand all fees, especially currency conversions. Use strong risk management, never over-leverage. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. And drop a comment. Which broker are you using, or which one do you want me to test next? Thanks for watching, and trade smart.